partner of the UTC 18 months ago, and what makes the partnership so important to us is the ambition of the UTC to ensure that their students are ready for the world of work when they leave. And that's a massive challenge coming out of college. You know, that you guys come out and then go, we think work means this, and actually you walk in and it means something completely different, and you go, well, that's not for me. What we need you to do is walk out of here or walk out of uni, that's where you go from here, and go, well, you know what, we know what's kind of coming, and you're fully expecting it, and you've got those skills already, which, you know, I think is the ambition of the UTC as well. So it's great, it's kind of a joint venture thing. As a local employer, young people having these skills is very important to us, and therefore we're committed to supporting the UTC to achieve this ambition. In the last 18 months, we've worked with students from the UTC on a range of business projects which brings the world of work at AO to life for students, while also helping us to bring a fresh and innovative perspective to problems that we have faced. So this isn't just about us giving you the skills to go out and kind of hopefully, you know, face those challenges that you'll get in work, but also we benefit from it as well, because you think about things that we're like too old for, and you know, you bring a new, fresh, innovative, different perspective to things. So, you know, don't ever think that it is just you that are benefiting from this. We are definitely benefiting from it as well. So it's a win-win for everybody, and we want to encourage and nurture that in the future. So this project room obviously gives the students of UTC a space to work on more innovative ideas, especially those working on the Big Bang Green Logistics Challenge for the 28th of March. Got that plug in there, Kerry. Thank you. So for us, it's real exciting times, and we can't wait to see what the future holds.